house. We have amazing view there if you can see it. But let's get inside first for a quick house tour. Let's. 안녕하세요. So this is how the entry look like. As soon as you enter the house, there's a room on your right, which is this one, and my parents is currently inside. It's actually a queen bed room with the view. This is the room. This is the living room. Okay, let's go up. Now let's go upstairs. There's the stairs to go upstairs. Tak naik lagi. Mana dia? Tu dia. So this is the kitchen area and dining area. So we have a dishwasher. Ada dishwasher, there's a sink, there's a washer dryer, and then we have some plates, hospital plates, and a fridge, which will be filled up later. We will go shopping. And then there's some food already inside. We have halal chicken that we bought from Itaewon. We got it from all the way from Seoul. And then we have halal burger. We got it from Malaysia. Lovely. And there's an oven. And that's a kettle. Apa yang tak ada? Rice cooker tak ada. We have to find ways to cook the rice later on, or you can bring yourself your own. And now it's the toilet. There's only one toilet. There's only one toilet with the bathroom in this house. Tadi ada satu toilet kat bawah. But it's a very small toilet. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Kamera kau kat mana? So they give us towels and a jamban without bidet. There's a shower here, which is very nice, and then a bathtub here. Bathroom overlooks the sea. Toilet tu kan dia tutup dengan tirai macam ni je. So I can see your bayang. So we have the kitchen over here and the bathroom over there, and there's a door to go to the second bedroom, which is upstairs, and they call it sky room. The steps are very steep. So this is the second bedroom. We have two single bed up here, which will be my sister and I in the bathroom. And then we have this amazing sky view. Get it? So if you come here during summer, no need to worry about coolness. There's an aircon in every room. So let's go for the last thing, which is outside of the house. Balcony comes with a jacuzzi with heated water. This one we have to fill it up first, and the house owner will teach you how to use it. Hello. So this is the view from the second floor. Later we'll go down, yeah.
Say hi.
Hi. Say hi, people.
Lambai.
There's actually a house next door because it's a semi-D. So we can see their pool from up here. Tengoklah, intai sikit. We wanted that house because it's more secluded. But yeah, let's go down. If you have extra people and cannot accommodate the rooms in here, you can ask for extra bed. That's what we did. Final ending, best of all. We have a swimming pool over here, which we don't know how deep it goes. How deep is your love? There's also a dining table outside for barbecue. They provide everything, all the necessity needed, the charcoal, the trunk, aluminium. If you want to use this, all the things needed for this, you have to add another 15,000, and you can pay later during checkout. And that's all. And we have this most stunning view of all. So the house owner told us that we can actually walk down there and go by the sea, which take around 13 minutes walking. And that's all, y'all.